So based on your corresponding angle axioms, we have few theorems that we can prove. So I'll state the theorem, I'll explain it, and then we will learn about the proof post understanding and using it in few problems. Okay, so theorem, few examples, and then the proof. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of alternative interior angles is equal. So I have two parallel lines. So we have angle 1 and angle 2 are your one pair of alternative interior angles. Angle A and angle B is your second pair of alternative interior angles. If these two are parallel, then 1 and 2, A and B are equal. Okay, so the theorem tells that if AB is parallel to MN, then 1 will be equal to 2. Okay, let me write it properly. Angle 1 will be equal to angle 2 and angle A will be equal to angle B. Now, the converse of it. If a transversal intersect two lines such that that a pair of alternative interior angle is equal, then the two angles are parallel. Here it goes in the opposite way. Here it's given that you have 1 is equal to 2. If not, A is equal to B. That is given. Okay. So here if angle 1 is equal to angle 2, then or implies that we have AB being parallel to MN. That's it. So this is your converse of this particular theorem. Converse is the opposite of it. Now you're going the opposite statement. So from here to there is your converse, as simple as that. Similarly, we have one more theorem. If a transversal intersect two parallel lines, then each pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. Okay, what is supplementary? Supplementary, remember, we wrote S, two angles which add up to 180 degree. They need not be adjacent angles. Okay. You have line AB is equal to MN. So that is given. If AB is parallel to MN, these two are parallel, that is given, and PT is your transversal line, then angle A plus angle B, which are pair of angles, interior angles on the same side of the transversal, they will add up to angle A plus B will add up to 180 degree. If not, also angle 1 and angle 2, they also will add up to 180 degree. Okay. Now, the converse is that, say we have A and B adding up to 180. So if angle A plus angle B add up to 180 degree, then we have AB parallel to MN. Okay, so this is your another theorem. Everything is quite simple. Logically, if you think of it, it's very easy. Okay, so I'll give an example. Actually, I wanted to give an example. Here, say this is 60, this will be 120. If this is 1, okay, that is not possible to be 150. If this is 50, this will be 130, right? So here I'll give one example. If this is 60, this will be 60, and this will be 120, and this will be 120 degree. Okay, and the last one is, this is also very simple. Line which are parallel to same line are parallel to each other. So here I have three lines, right, and a transversal line. If I tell E is parallel to AB and AB is parallel to MN, then E will also be parallel to MN. That is, I'll write this, if EF is parallel to AB and AB is parallel to MN, this implies EF will be parallel to MN. Okay, so this is your theorem. These are all your theorems, right? So main thing over here is you guys need to understand what we are dealing with. If you understand the diagram, the statement, it's secondary, to be frank. You guys can write in your own language, like you can just write this and the diagram. That's more than enough. Okay, so you need not by heart the statement, no need. You just need to understand what it's talking about, and when you get it to apply, you should apply it right. That's it. Okay, so pause and think how smart you can best copy this in your own words and in your own way. Main thing is diagrams and such statements. Writing part is left to you guys. So that's my advice, right? You can be a bit lazy about this and creative. Okay, so pause and try your luck. And if you found a very creative way of presenting this, do let us know. Okay, so we will always like to get a comment from you guys. So pause and have a go.